In this video, we will see how to clone an existing repository in GitHub to your local machine using Eclipse. Then, we will add that project in Eclipse so that you can continue to work on it and track it. So here on GitHub, I have a few repositories. Let us say I want to clone my demo project repository using Eclipse. Click on the clone or download link and copy the GitHub URL. Here, I have Spring Tool Suite running on my machine, which is a flavor of Eclipse. Let's first open the GitHub repository view by clicking on Window, Show View, Git, and then Git Repository. If you want to know how to do the Eclipse Git integration, please watch my other video, Eclipse Git Integration, installing eGit to Eclipse. Now, the Git repositories view shows up here. Let's click on the link to clone a Git repository. It opens up this wizard. Let's choose Clone URI. Now, let us put the repository URL in here. It automatically populates the host and the repository path. I have my authentication info stored here. Otherwise, it will ask for the GitHub credentials if the access requires authentication. If it is a public repository, which does not need authentication, then you don't need to enter this information here. Click Next. There is only the master branch, so let's choose that. We then specify the directory on our local machine where we want the local GitHub repo. The remote branch will be referred to as origin. We can check Import all existing Eclipse projects after clone finishes at this point, which will clone the repository to the local repo as well as import the project in Eclipse. But I want to show you the other way also. So let me click Finish. And here you can see that it downloaded the repository. You can see the branches, etc. Now to import it as a project in Eclipse, right-click on the repo node. Since our project is a Maven project, we can select the Import Maven Projects option or the more general Import Projects option. Let's choose that. It chooses the location of the local repository where it downloaded the project as the import source. Click Finish. And here you can see the project in Eclipse linked to the repository. So from here on, you can work on this project, commit and push changes, etc. So let's first look at the staging view by going to Window, Show View, Other, Git Staging. It opens up this view here. Let's make a change. So let's go to the model package and open the persons class. Here, let us put a comment, save it. It now appears in the unstaged changes section. Let's move it to the staged changes section, add a message and press commit and push. It comes back to us with the confirmation. Let's go to GitHub, refresh, and indeed our changes got pushed. So this is how we can clone an existing repository using Eclipse, import the project, work on it, commit and push changes. Thanks for watching.